Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transform your photos into a 3D photos on Wing. So here, what you need to do is open the Wing app and then here tap on more at the bottom until you find the 3D photo options. This one's right here, 3D photos. So just tap on that. Now you can just select the photos that you want to transform. For example, in here I'm going to use this photos right here. Now you can see there are two options, expansion and also motion. Here you can just choose which one. For example, let's try the expansion first. I'm going to go with this one's right here. So this is okay, so I can use that because this is a VIP. Let's try the free one, this one right here. Now Wing will generate the effects. You can just wait until the processing is finished. Now you can see my photo has become a 3D photos like this. So you can just choose which one, which 3D photos effect that you want to apply to your photos. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.